Experience a different kind of Las Vegas vibe in the Fremont East District. Welcome everyone. On this Vegas NOLA Man, explore the unique entertainment, eateries, and shops of Fremont East. Kick it! The Fremont East District is a result of improvements in this section of downtown Las Vegas that started to appear in 2007. A 6-block area that runs from Las Vegas Boulevard to 8th Street, from East Ogden Avenue down to East Carson Avenue. The neon signs along the corridor were perfectly restored thanks to the Neon Museum and its partners. Things may have changed since the time of this recording, and if I missed anything you really like, be sure to give it a shout out in the comments section below. Starting out on Las Vegas Boulevard and Fremont Street with Evil Pie. Evil Pie is a pizza joint with a rock and roll vibe and Evel Knievel memorabilia. And right across the street is Inspire Nightclub. This venue features a theater, rooftop patio, and a lounge with DJs spinning hip-hop. Next is Flippin' Good Burgers, fries, frozen custard shakes, and draft beer. Next up is The Smash Pig, a sleek gastropub serving a British menu plus craft beer and cocktails. Here is The Griffin, a stone-faced bar with a real fireplace, eclectic jukebox, and a dim back room featuring weekend DJs. Corduroy is a throwback 70s rock and roll bar with DJ music. On the right is Lee Thai, noodles and curries with an outdoor patio that hosts DJ performances. Commonwealth is a speakeasy with rooftop views and a spacious dance floor. And across the street there's Therapy, a buzzy American restaurant and bar that offers unique food and live entertainment in a vast bi-level space. For Latin rhythms there's Lucky Day Tequila and Mezcal House. Also there is Disco Pussy, a mainline house and techno club. Emergency Arts is a unique complex featuring studios for creative ventures and a cool coffee house. Across 6th Street on Fremont is Backstage Bar and Billiards, a rock and roll lounge offering pool tables and live music acts. And across the street is the historic Las Vegas icon, the El Cortez Hotel and Casino. If you'd like to see more on the El Cortez, hit my video link in the description box below. Here is Fremont Country Club, a punk rock music venue. Get your adult beverages at Fremont East Liquors, best selection of spirits in downtown Las Vegas at reasonable prices. And here's a new Thai place opening up Bangkok Street. Good luck to them. The mural on the El Cortez parking garage is from the Life is Beautiful festival. Located on 7th and East Fremont is Container Park. Constructed from shipping containers, Container Park offers a unique Las Vegas experience. There's shopping, dining, entertainment, a special playground for kids, and every night a fire mantis show. If you'd like to see more about Container Park, hit that video link in the description box below. On 6th Street, there's Ichiban All-You-Can-Eat Sushi, located across the street from the main entrance to the El Cortez. And if you go south down 6th Street heading towards Carson, you'll find La Comida, a lively Mexican restaurant with great food and a selection of margaritas. Continuing to 6th and Carson, there's Nico Massage Studio. Schedule an appointment and you'll feel great. And there's Juice Stars, a health joint with smoothies, salads, paninis, and more. Bochu Sushi is a stylish Japanese eatery with a downstairs sushi bar. And around the corner is Donut Bar. Donut Bar makes the best donuts in the world and is a must-do when you're in Las Vegas. To see more on Donut Bar, hit the video link in the description box below. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I put a link down in the description box below. Help me upgrade and grow, and buy me a Joe. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.